One system, total service control. From dashboard insights and planning to tickets, service execution, and asset tracking, iqpdb connects your entire service operation. Manage clients, products, knowledge, accounting, and reminders in one fully traceable environment. Dashboard, your central control hub. Move and prioritize cards, adjust colors, and tailor categories to your workflow. Turn notifications into actions, approve dispatch in one click, and stay on top of everything with instant access to notifications and reminders. Plan and manage every resource with precision. Create and adjust bookings, move and resize entries directly on the timeline, and dispatch multiple engineers in seconds. Customize visuals, request travel arrangements, and drag predefined projects into your schedule. Keep full visibility with utilization insights and manage all assets, people, and facilities in one place. Tickets, trusted by Tier 1 manufacturers, proven in critical production. Handle even the most complex cases with integrated 8D methodology and automated workflows. Assign, escalate, and track every action with full transparency. Use Kanban or detailed views, customize properties, and navigate seamlessly across tickets, bookings, and reports. Full history, offline capability, and fast browsing ensure nothing slows you down. Service, designed for speed and accuracy in the field. Service reports can come pre-filled, minimizing manual input and saving time. Capture signatures, track expenses, manage spare parts, and attach files directly on site. Automatically calculate overtimes and trigger follow-up actions or tickets. Work seamlessly offline, support multiple languages, and generate fully customizable reports. Every intervention feeds back into your global knowledge system. Assets. Keep everything under control before and during the job. Bundle spare parts into ready-to-use packages so nothing gets missed. Track inventory like tools, calibration equipment, and critical assets with full visibility. Always know what you have, where it is, and what's ready for the next task. Remedy knowledge base. Turn field experience into shared intelligence. Centralize solutions in one global remedy system linked directly to error codes. Share selected knowledge with clients through the web portal and create rich, structured content with ease. Optionally enhanced by AI to continuously improve and suggest solutions. Clients. Manage your entire customer landscape with full flexibility. Organize clients by region, technology, or custom groups, and track contracts and expirations. Define individual pricing, manage multiple locations, and coordinate service partners seamlessly. Give customers controlled access via the web portal, automate communication, and support sales activities with powerful tools for segmentation and outreach. Products. Model even the most complex systems with ease. Use customizable properties and flexible structures to represent any product setup. Visualize entire production lines and networks, manage files and documentation, and control access to sensitive data. Support modular product hierarchies, enable remote health checks, and stay ahead with automated reminders. Integrate seamlessly with systems like Salesforce, Jira, or SAP. Accounting. Bring full financial clarity into your service operations. Automate quotations and cost calculations, including expenses, overtime, and custom pricing models. Work with real-time currencies or tailored exchange tables, and involve engineers directly in estimations. Apply flexible discounts and generate transparent cost breakdowns, from first action to final invoice. Turn complex data into clear, actionable insight. Explore your entire operation across all modules with powerful analytics and pivot views. Analyze trends, compare time periods, and understand performance from every angle. From high-level dashboards to detailed reports, everything is structured, transparent, and ready to act on. Work from anywhere, on any device. Stay always up to date with real-time data across your entire operation. Give teams and customers secure, role-based access through a connected web environment. Collaborate seamlessly across locations, departments, and partners. These are just some of the features, but the real value goes beyond what you see here. There's a lot more behind the scenes and much more to discover. iqpdb